stability and trim, GM calculation, worded problem. A ship, of any kind, will have this equation. GM is equal to Km, having the value of it, is from the hydrostatic table of the ship, subtracted by Kg, having the value of it, is from the loading condition of the ship. Question. A ship has a draft of 6.9 meters, and has a Kg of 5 meters. Find the GM of the ship. Given, draft is equal to 6.9 meters, Kg is equal to 5 meters. Required GM. Using the hydrostatic table, find the draft, which is equal to 6.90 meters. When it is found, move to the right, and in the column Km, the value will be found, which is equal to 8.35 meters. Solution. Formula: use GM is equal to Km, subtracted by Kg. Distribute the value, GM, is equal to 8.35 meters, subtracted by 5 meters. The result, GM, is equal to 3.35 meters. GM is positive, so the ship is stable. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.